Aye, aye, aye. Zion Raga, yeah, man. Of Jah brings soul at ease. Hear the thunder, hear the rain. Voice of Jah remove the chain. Through the night and through the day, voice of Jah will show the way. No false tongue, no wicked lie can drown the voice that never die. Voice of Jah, mighty sound, shake the sky and shake the ground. Guide the humble, heal the weak. Voice of Jah to all who seek. Prophet chant from ancient time, still the voice of Jah sublime. Every leaf and every stone sing a word of Jah alone. Babylon wall may try resist. Voice of Jah they can't dismiss. Pure and strong, forever near. Voice of Jah we always hear. Children stop and listen well. Voice of Jah got truth fi tell. Not in anger, not in hate, but in love so truly great. Every mother, every son, hear the voice they two made one. Over mountain, river, sea, voice of Jah set we free. Whisper soft and thunder loud, voice of Jah call
Jah.
Step by step upon the way, Zion light guide night and day. Through the valley, through the storm, Jah keep the people safe and warm. Every footstep mark the ground with the truth that Jah has found. Babylon road lead to fall, but Zion path redeem us all. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Children rise, don't walk alone. Path of Zion bring you home. From the desert, from the sea, Jah prepare the way for we. No false road, no wicked plan can fool the heart of righteous man. Ancient guide, eternal flame, path of Zion, call Jah name. Walk the path with steady hand, carry love across the land. Every trial, every fight, path of Zion shine the light. Generations come and go, still the path will always show. Every nation great and small, Zion path unite us all. Step, don't turn aside. Jah provide and Jah will guide. Through the fire, through the rain, path of Zion never strain. Path of Zion straight and true. Walk it high and walk it you. Through the struggle, through the pain, path of Zion still remain. Forevermore it lead along, path of Zion righteous strong. Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion open gate, forever ruling, strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stand so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion, only him, everlasting, ever near. Throne of Jah forever clear. When the trumpets sound again, throne of Zion still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah fi one and all, forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion always sure, holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah forever strong, stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear the crown, no hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah forever stay. Throne of Zion stand so tall, Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah the righteous dream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway. Ay, 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 Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold, crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace. Crown of Jah bring sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. No king of earth can wear the flame. Crown of Zion call your name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Crown eternal Jah has made. Me see the elder bow in prayer. Crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon. Forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine. Crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. Forever shining bright and free. Crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last, crown of Zion ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah forever consume. Eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend. Eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still standing here.
Zion Raga inna the house, yeah man. Oh, deep in the night, under moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell just story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum on Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. Drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant, just privilege that will last from root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Zion reggae, yeah, man. River flow from holy ground. Zion water all around. It heal the thirsty, heal the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side. Eternal current, never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flowing Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse me soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me from mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide me. See the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play. River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It called the nations, call them home. River Zion never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah forever stay.
Na Zion Raga, yeah man. Holy city shining bright, city of Zion full of light, streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old, no crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care, every house a song of love. City shining high above, city of Zion pure and fair, Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land, city built by Jah hand. It glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion, holy way. No hunger there, no thirst, no fight. City shine with holy light. It call the children, call the meek. City truth all people seek, forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name. It bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah, eternal mind. No wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion, holy school, forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah, forever near. It echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stand so long. It heal the heart, it lift the soul. City of Jah, make we whole. Forever pure, forever bright. City shining day and night. Every gate a holy sign. City of Jah, forever mine. When the trumpet sound at last, city of Zion standing fast. It blaze eternal, never done. City shining with Jah sun, forever home, forever free. City of Jah for you and me, from earth to sky, from night to morn. City of Zion ever born. Stand tall, walk in. City of Zion free from sin. No wall, no hate can ever break. City of Jah, no man forsake. City of Zion pure and fair, Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land, city built by Jah hand. From dawn of time till trumpet play, city of Zion always stay. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. Weeds in Jah guide me, Rastafari sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight, me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call your name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm we rise again. The city fast, but I man slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trad with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games, but I and I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light, full of protection. Meditation, one sacred sound. Rasta wisdom, all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders and the mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round, feel listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me nah preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words are gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me ground it strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand from sunrise to the moon above. Me hold it steady, one spliff, one love, yeah.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Burning bright from ancient days. Fire light Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Every spark of truth reveal. Every flame a wound that heal. Fire of Rasta never die. Lift the chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path for we to try. Keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street. Fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth fi rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see. Fire blaze in unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. drum, me hear the song. Me know the fire will last long. It teach the youth fi stand up tall. Never bow to Babylon call. Every ember, every glow is Jah love we come to know. Through the night and through the rain, fire burn and still remain. From first creation to the end, fire of Jah will never bend. It guide the way, it guard the gate. It keep the love and burn the hate. In every heart, in every land, fire blaze by Jah command. Blaze high, blaze wide, fire of Jah we cannot hide. From east to west, from shore to shore, fire burn forevermore. No chain, no wall can stop the flame. Fire of Rasta, praise Jah name. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path we to trod, keep we walking close to God. From morning sun to evening star, fire of Jah burn near and far. Na 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 Rasta, strong meditate ya man. Oh, oh. Wake up with the morning sun pa me skin, breeze from the ocean me soul begin. Me wash me face in river divine, thank Jah for the bread for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer, burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me lock so long. Every strand carry Jah song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. In a the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can't defeat. Me no chase riches or Babylon lies. Me plant me food under open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simply like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm on the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just title food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. And when the stress come down, me light a spliff and sit down. Me meditate with no sound. Jah guide me mind, me steer ground. Inna me yard me hear the bird them sing, a sweet reminder of the joy life bring. Me plant more trees, me dance, me swing to rhythms that make me soul take wing. The people pass, them hail me name. Rasta man, your vibes never lame. Me tell them love is the holy flame. Burn the ego, burn the fame. Me no in a rush, me stay in tune. Me chant a psalm under the moon. but Babylon can defeat. Me no own big house or gold chain, but me rich in joy, me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days, me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sitting on me view. Mountains teach me what to do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In a Rasta rhythm, me life unfold. Me know me mission, spread your light. Through music, love, and ganja right. Me voice a spark in this endless night. Me shine for people, me chant them right. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. From Africa to yard and street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta stand tall, Babylon can't delete. So come follow the way of nature, peace and night today. With reggae sweet and ganja blaze, we lift the world in righteous praise. Hey, 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 hey. Ay, ganja deep inna this fetka. Yeah man, me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack, concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold, but me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom and forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. Can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse, like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run. Truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose,
we not fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat a signal clear. The system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under just sky. Wait, Wadrook rebellion, Aliviada. Na na na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code, like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a bun low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound, just roots and healing all around. River na the mind flow sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a just sky. River na the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draw for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message, me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jaja grace. Me tread slope on healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River na the mind flow sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me so like morning light. River in a heart so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, both dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing. No strife, me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and thing get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the noise, the fast, the blind. Come find the river in your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall, I'd say. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Urban harmony, balance divine, me soul align in just sunshine. Call up the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Urban harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just breath and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east, me look within. Fi find me peace, meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call up creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion, we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call up the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die.
Zion Reggae.
Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. and tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. From first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, hold we fast. Me see the elder close them eye. Feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin fi sway. Learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight. Drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light. Keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night wind start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep trodding on. He tell the world we shall be free. When love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear. Beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast. Carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah